Hi, in this lesson, we see about how to bulk upload the products through Google Ads Editor. So before continuing, I wanted to share a tip with you. That is, not all the tasks are easy to do from editor. Okay, few of the tasks it is good if you do it through engine only, right? And few of the tasks you can do it through editor wherever it is needed. It is you need to figure it out, which task you can do it from editor and which task you can do it from engine, right? So it is not about how fast you implement the task. Okay, it is about how accurately and how confidently you implement it. I hope you are understanding. So again, I'm telling you, in the next coming example, we will see how to upload the products through Google Ads Editor. So I don't suggest uploading it through Google Ads Editor because there is a chance of confusing. Okay, so in the previous lessons, we have seen, right, how to segment the products in Google Ads Editor in the shopping campaigns. So let's see how to do it once again from editor. Okay, so going into the editor, so make sure you first get the recent changes. Okay, get the recent changes and more data, and I have already done this. So here you see, so here you have to go for the keywords and targeting, and in the keywords and targeting you have product groups. Where it is, yeah, this is the product groups. Here you can see the different product groups that we have already segmented, right? So let's take an example. Let's take this register pro sale campaign, and in this campaign, let's create one ad group. Okay, create a new ad group. Let's keep this as a earring. Okay, right. So in this ad group, we wanted to target only the earrings products. Okay, so how will you do it? You have to have a format, Google Ads format. We have discussed it, right? For every section there is a predefined format that you need to follow. So let's go to the product groups, and here it is the product groups. Let's take this sale ad group. Okay, looks like here we don't have any product group here, right? Okay, shopping campaign, new sale, product group. Yeah, this is the product group, right? So where we have implemented it, our new ad group, where is it? It is in the search campaign. That is the reason why we are not seeing it. Okay, this is a search campaign, right? You see here. Okay, this is not a search campaign. This is for sale campaign. Okay, what is it then? Store for sale, no. What is it? So it is a search campaign. Okay, it is a search campaign, so that is the reason why we are not seeing the product segmentation. So it is a DSA, dynamic search ad campaign. So here let's revert this ad group. Let's add it in the shopping campaigns and select here shopping, and this is the campaign, right, that you wanted to implement new ad group. Here you can go for, let's take another ad group, like let's take, let's target any one of the custom columns. Here have a custom labels, right? Let's target men. Okay, let's target men, same men. So what I am doing here, so I am copying the format from the previous ad group, from the already existing ad group, right? So go to products. Okay. If you are not finding it, you can search it here. Okay, copy this format here, copy, and go to sheet, paste it here. So here it is men, right? It has to be accurate. Okay, M-E-N. M is capital, if you remember. M-E-N, right? And the ad group name is, what is the ad group name? M-E-N. It is small m. So you have to match it correctly. Okay, copy, copy these items and editor. So go to cell, go to men, make multiple changes and paste. That's it. Process. We added successfully. Keep. So this is how you have to implement the product groups from editor. Okay, if you are doing it in bulk through Excel sheet or Google Sheets. Okay, so if not, you can also subdivide it like this. Okay, I'm reverting it here. So you can add a all products add group, and here you can subdivide. As I told you, this is a little confusing. Okay, so here what is it you want? You want MEN, right? Men, and let the default bit be 10, right? So like this, you can subdivide it. Okay, and close. So you see this product group is missing everything else subdivision. So let's see how it looks like everything else subdivision, right? So you need to also subdivide everything else except this. And you can, how will you do it? Let's see. Let's see in the previous add group. Okay, edit and sale. Custom label 1 is sale and everything else is 0. So I hope you are understanding, right? So it is little confusing when you do it through editor. That is the reason why I am suggesting you to do it through engine only. Okay, so everything else subdivide custom label 1. Okay, this is everything else. So this is not like this. You can subdivide like this only. Custom label 0 only, right? It is custom label 0. Subdividing this product group will remove all the its children. Do you want to continue? Yeah. So it is custom label 0 and it should be men, and 0. Let's keep it as 10, right? Now it is fine and close. So again it is showing like everything else is not subdivided. So that is the reason why I am telling you to implement it through engine only. It is very little confusing, right? And subdivide. Let's take custom label 0. Copy this. Okay, or you can implement like this, copy and paste, and you see you can implement it like this, everything else. Okay, so this is how you can implement. Make sure that everything else is excluded after you separate the main segment. Okay, this is excluded. So this is how you have to do the segmentation from the editor. But so it is easy to do it through engine, right? We have discussed in the previous lessons, all the previous shopping lessons, wherever it is possible to divide the products in segments. So through engine also, you can bulk upload them. Okay. So you see, if you want to upload any items, you have this option, bulk upload values manually. Okay. So through this also you can bulk upload them. So I suggest you to go and experiment in between these options so that you will have a very good grip on how to do bulk uploads. So let's say in the previous lesson we have uploaded items, right? You remember we have uploaded the items, top 500 items. So now what happens? Let's say in this new ad group, I wanted to upload new. Let's say let's create a new ad group, and here I wanted to upload 10 items, 10 products. Okay, just I'm naming it as it is. So how will I do it? You need to have a format, right? For everything there is a format. So here we have added items through, I mean products through item ID, and in this new cell we have added products through custom label, right? So it is up to you. So whatever the condition you have used, you have to specify the same condition in the format. Let's see in the products, going to the products here. Okay, so let's type it here. Okay, this is the one. So this is the format, right? I'm copying this one, go here and paste. Let's see how the format differs. If you see here in the product group, in the first case, we have custom label because here we have segmented products based on the custom label. And in the second case, it is through the item ID. So if you wanted to implement products through item ID, this is how you have to do. Copy this one. Okay. Let's say here I wanted to add a product of the item value 245. Okay. What I will do, I will simply go here and do 245, right? And just make sure that it is 10, right? Copy, go to editor, and it is in the shell shopping. It is not in the other campaign. This is the campaign. Copy and paste, copy, go to editor, and here the product groups, select the product group, make multiple changes, paste, and process, finish and preview. So this is how you have to implement it, right? So just keep it because it is showing error because I think it has it want you cannot subdivide a non-existent product group. So but I think you have understood the process, right? So again I am telling you, it is an easy task if you do it through engine, and it will be a little confusion if you do it through editor. But I hope you have understood the process how you have to upload. If you are doing through editor, you need to have a format. Okay, let's say in the future if you are implementing anything through the condition, it will be having certain format. If you implement through product type, it will be having certain format. You need to have that format in order to implement through editor from Google Excel or from Google Sheets. Okay, so I hope you are understanding this lesson. The intention of this lesson is to make you understand that few things are very easy to do it from Google Ads engine only. Okay, so I hope you will uh, experiment and make few learnings. We will meet in the next lesson.